Right, medium heat. Next, add your butter. Once your butter's melted, add your flour. Nice. Right, at this stage, very important, cook out your flour. You've got to cook out your flour for a good 3 to 4 minutes. If you don't, it'll become chalky, and you don't want that. A nice low heat. Can you see how it's come to a paste like that? Just keep on stirring it. Right, now at this stage, add your milk and change to a whisk. Right now, turn your flame up. The higher the flame, the thicker it'll be. And do not move. Keep whisking until it becomes thick, and then we'll add the cheese. Look at that. Can you see how thick it's getting? And if you go like that and you see bubbles, it's not ready yet. Just keep on stirring. Now that's perfect. That's where I want it. And if I go like that, you can see there's no bubbles. It's going with a whisk. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right, so take off the heat. I'm going to add some smoked paprika just for some tiny bit of smokiness, and that goes very well with the sandwich. And I've got a combination of cheeses. I've got some cheddar and I've got some Parmesan. That's a great combo. Right now, this is the bechamel, or white sauce. When I add the cheese in, some Mornay sauce. So now, add that beautiful cheese. Yes. And then just give that beauty a stir.